Greetings and salutations. My name is MeMe, and today at Givens, we're going to be making Play-Doh. You only need 3 ingredients for this project: cornstarch, shaving cream, and food coloring. First, you need half a cup of cornstarch. The second ingredient you need is half a cup of shaving cream. Get it all in there. The next step is mixing. Get in there and get dirty. Now then, put it on the table. Keep mixing until you get to this consistency. Once you're at this, you can add your food coloring. My favorite color is red, so that's what I'm going with. Just a few drops. My Play-Doh right now actually looks like a peppermint, so I'm gonna add a few more drops of food coloring. Actually, add as many as you need until you get the right color. And when you're done, this should be your finished product. All right, guys, that's all we have for you today. Thank you for tuning in, but don't forget about social distancing and stay home as much as possible. Stay creative.